Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. I gotta show you this. It's the VMax. This phone is a beast. The best surround sound on the planet. This is Ultra HD surround sound. On top of that, it's got a battery that is second to none. I'm talking about a beast of a battery. You're not gonna have to recharge this thing very often. Nothing in the industry can even come close. Great surround sound, that 5G processor, and so many other things about this. Loaded with RAM, loaded with ROM, and really that intelligent, smart design by Android. You're gonna love it. So folks, I'm gonna take you through this, show you all about it, but it's absolutely fantastic. If you haven't picked one up yet, this is waterproof, and there's nothing like it in the industry. Made by that premier brand, Doogee, the VMax. Get yours. Let me tell you all about it. All right, folks, so what are some of the cool things about this? 108 megapixel camera. That is second to none. 120 hertz display. Full HD screen, and this thing is incredible. If you're looking for a fast moving phone, one that's never gonna let you down, one that's perfect for gaming, one that's great for processing, well, guess what? This thing's fantastic. Of course, it has all your Android apps, the biggest app store in the world, right there, ready to go. You can do just about anything with this fantastic device. Quick scrolling and that great quality sound. I have rarely heard a phone with sound quality quite like this. If you're looking for a great HD screen, you want it quick and responsive, well, guess what? This thing's incredible. But of course, that 108 megapixel picture is incredible. It somehow is coming up more crystal clear than any other picture I've ever seen on a phone. This thing is absolutely second to none. It's bright, even in the darkest environment, HD images that will not quit. Folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I'm gonna show you the night vision here in a moment, and then we're gonna show you the up close portion of our video. And folks, I gotta show you this night vision. Look how cool this is. Nothing can match it. Absolutely beautiful, crystal clear night vision. Nothing like it. iPhone has nothing on this. All right, folks, now we're gonna do the up close portion of the video. Doogee, it's the VMax 12 gigabyte, 256 gigabyte. This thing's incredible, smart life for you. And you know that this is my favorite smartphone company on the planet. They're really, really fantastic. So we're gonna open up the bright yellow box and look at how big and bright this screen is gonna be. It's incredible. I've been reading about it, checking it out, and so excited about. This is a massive phone with an incredible battery that's going to make a world of difference. Now, you can put the SIM card in there, the TF card, IP68 waterproof, IP69K, MIL STD 810H. The adjustment for volume is right over here on the side. You got the power on and off, and it does have that beautiful LED screen. We're gonna peel this back so you can really see it. Powered by Android, and Android does a great job with this. Now let me turn down some of the lights for you so you can really see it. But holy cow, what a great product. I've been a big fan of this company since day one. The get start on Doogee is always so easy, so straightforward, and I'm gonna connect it to my Wi-Fi. So with that being said, they've got all the information here as well as the screen protector. Let me just put that in there. And yeah, I'm just a big fan of a fantastic company here. And it just takes a few minutes to set up. Now, look at this, look at this. You got the 3 big cameras that's gonna give you a perfect image every time. The LED on the side. And the nice thing about this, the edges are perfect for if you do happen to drop it, it's strong, it's sturdy. You're not gonna have any issues here. You've got your TF SIM card right on the side, everything you need. And yeah, it just takes a few minutes to get going. It does have the screen protector on the wipe. It does have the USB-C as well as the charging cable. You can plug it in just about anywhere. And this thing is indeed the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. It's the cat's meow. And I do love it. So folks, if you're looking for a great phone that's going to make a world of difference, this thing is absolutely incredible. it's 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 of ROM. 256 of ROM, are you kidding me? Now these guys are, it's a combination of German technology and British engineering. They've done a great job here. And yeah, you can copy your old phone if you want to, and that's really straightforward as well. And I absolutely love this product. So folks, if you're looking for something that's really, really fantastic, high speed, low drag, thrust and vector, well, guess what? The smartphone, the VMax, is absolutely incredible. All right, and look at that, I practically am set up already. Like I said, it just took a few moments to get going, and you're good to go without a word to say. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you the best of the best, so you can indeed forget the rest, and you can't teach that, and you can't beat that. Look at how beautiful this is. Already set up, good to go, in probably about 3 min. All right. Love you guys. Appreciate you. Goodbye, my friends.